Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Gus Two Wheeling over here in York, Pennsylvania at Utz Arena. Beautiful rainy day today to go inside and check out a vintage motorcycle swap meet and bike show. So let's go inside.
That tank's cool.
That's what I paid for it.
Look at all these bikes. Wow, look at that Triumph. Love that green. Nice.
I could take that thing home.
That is clean.
Yeah, it looks clean.
Very
You look
nice.
really good on that land.
RD200. Mostly complete. Oh, Honda 600R.
How thin you go on the herd if you go $2,000.
Yeah.
Well, you know,
CR's here. That 86 is clean. Here we go. Nice. Oh, 66. CB77. Very nice. Norton. They want 9,000. Wow, look at this. Oh, that's the triple. 3-cylinder. 6,500. Very nice. Lifelong collection. Nice.
Little bike there?
Yeah. Oh, VMAX. Nice. Look at that Honda.
yeah, I bought this style, and I decided I didn't want to do that.
A lot of parts here today. A lot of stuff. Some old Yamahas there. Wow, look at this XL 250. Honda Hawk. Very nice. Excuse me. Alright, this is the bike show in the middle of the swap meet. cool stuff. I don't know where to start. Oh, look at this Super Cub. 62, 115. Nice. RD 350. That is all original, not restored. Very nice. Honda 450. Looks like a CL. Yeah, CL 450 Scramble. Pretty good shape. There. Montesa. Never heard of that brand. 78. Very nice. A Pook. They make bicycles and mopeds. '73.
That bike? That our bike?
68 Voltaco. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh, there it is, CR 250. Nice shape. '78. Wow, this is really old. A Vincent. '1951. Very nice. Triumph, 1982. Montesa Coda, 78. 73 Triumph Hurricane. Very nice. Suzuki 125 Stinger, 1969. Oslo GRM Trials Master. Wow, they got a lot of bikes centered here in the bike show. '68 Odaka Road Racer, 100cc. Nice Yamaha here. RD 350. Very nice. That's a nice shape. 73 Yamaha. Oh, here's a BSA. '1967. Wow, look at this BSA. Oh, here's a Honda Elsinore CR125N. That is nice shape. Wow, very nice. That is sweet. BSA Firebird 650 Scrambler, 1969. Here's the green KX500 Kawasaki. Really nice shape. $1988. Here we go. The Honda CB 754. 1975. All original Survivor. Very nice. Yamaha DT2MX 1972. Little Yamaha there. This must be the Yamaha section. '72. This little guy's a 71, 60 cc.
Frank's is the one.
Let's go see what else we can see. Look at all these Yamahas. It's like going into the Yamaha shop in the 70s, and this is how they looked when they were in the showroom. Isn't it?
That guy got more. You know, that guy's going.
Boy, that's back again to the CB 750. Boy, that is beautiful. Alright. Oh, here's the three-wheeler section. $1985. Very nice. Oh my gosh, here's another CB 754. I like this green color. Wow. That is nice. Wow. 1971. Oh, here's a Yamaha RD 400 Daytona Special. That's clean. Triumph Sonic Weld 750. There's a CL 360. Ducati. Look at this snow on this Triumph. That's cool. It says Triumph Rusty Cub. Nice Another nice Honda CB 750. Wow. (1975) Harley Davidson when they made dirt bikes. AMF. That's clean. All of these are clean, except for that Triumph Rusty Cub. But that looks good too. Wow. That Yamaha is nice. What year is that? 1973. There it is. Oh, another nice Triumph. 1962 trophy. 72 Harley Davidson chopper. Another Triumph. (1974) Husqvarna. Real nice. Another Husky next to it. The Desert Master, 1973.
Oh, that's slates. I took 3 people.
1971 Kawasaki Bighorn. Very nice. And Penton dirt bikes. Don't know much about them. The gentleman over there signing autographs is Mr. Penton. He's here today with his Penton Owners Group display. They got a real nice display here today. More Pentons. They got quite a bit of bikes here. Hesse.
Ladies and gentlemen, be sure to put your People's Choice vote in for the motorcycle on the show that you want to ride. Those will be counted up, added up in about 45 minutes. And we'll
Got Suicide Shift. That's a nice bike.
Thank you.
Yeah, all these bikes in the show, they're you can vote. They're doing a People's Choice Award here later on, so they gave me this slip when I got the ticket. You put the bike number down and put it in the ballot box, and they're gonna vote for the People's Choice Award for the best bike. Pretty cool. Lot of parts here. If you need vintage motocross, motorcycle parts, they've got them. They also got people outside. They've got bikes being sold outside. They're like in the back of pickup trucks and stuff. Really cool. Oh, go down here and show you the trophies. These are the trophies that they'll be giving out. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. This bike show and swap meets is hosted by the Potomac Vintage Riders. Really good club. If you have a vintage motorcycle, they have rides and get-togethers and such. I will try to remember to post a link of their website if you all want to go check it out. Well, yeah. This is it. The whole swap meet and the bike show in the middle. Pretty cool. Yeah, he's got his big wheel.
Alright everyone, I hope you all enjoyed the vintage motorcycle swap meet and bike show. Here with my friend, came over with my friend Barry today. He picked up this nice Honda CL 175. Say hi Barry real quick.
Hi everybody.
He picked this up, got a good deal on it. Got really, how many miles has it got? 9774. Alright, well thanks for watching Gus 2 Wheeling. Click like on this video, post any comments down below. Let me know what your favorite bike was in the show, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Y'all take care, be safe, and we'll